In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment in Docusign. Whether you're new to Docusign or simply exploring some of its advanced features, adding comments can significantly enhance your workflow, allowing for more interactive and comprehensive document exchanges. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you can easily incorporate comments into your Docusign routine. First, you'll want to navigate to Docusign's website. As a leading platform in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, its interface is user-friendly, which makes our task more straightforward. Once you reach the Docusign homepage, move your focus to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the Login button. Click on it to access your account. If you're not already signed in, this is when you will enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This acts as your main hub for managing and sending documents, and from here you'll want to proceed to the Admin section. Look for this option, usually positioned in the main navigation bar, or possibly within a drop-down depending on your permissions and account setup. By clicking Admin, you are entering the area where you can manage various account settings, which includes our target feature today, the comments. Now that you're in the Admin section, go ahead and look for the Comments option. You'll find this among several other settings, tailored to help you customize the way you use Docusign to fit your business needs. Clicking on Comments will take you to a new set of options specifically designed to handle how comments function within your documents. Once you're viewing the comments settings, there's a crucial step to take. Locate the option labeled Enable Comments in Envelopes Sent from this account and click it. By enabling this feature, you empower users to add comments to their document envelopes, enhancing collaboration and feedback loops within your organization's document flow. And there you have it. Adding a comment feature in Docusign is a straightforward process once you're familiar with navigating through the necessary options. By following these steps, you can make your document processes much more interactive and efficient. Remember, enabling comments can significantly enhance communication, offering a straightforward method for gathering feedback, clarifying instructions, or simply keeping a record of thoughts and responses related to specific parts of your documents. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps you make the most out of your Docusign experience. Feel free to refer back to these steps anytime you need to enable or revisit the comments feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Until next time.